will solve this differential equation. We can separate the variables here. dy by dx is 1 minus cos of x upon 1 plus cos x, it is given. We'll shift this dx on the right hand side. Now all the y variable are on the left hand side and x variable is on the right hand side. So the two variables are separated here. We can integrate it. Integration of dy is y. Here integration will be 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square of x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square of x by 2. 2 to 2 cancel. Sine square upon cos square is tan square of x by 2. Tan square will be sec square x by 2 minus 1 and dx. So the integration is tan x by 2 upon 1 by 2 minus integration of 1 is x and plus c. This is the answer. We have to solve this differential equation. We'll separate the variable here. dy, this term will be shifted here in the denominator, 4 minus y square equal to dx. Now integrate both the side. Integration of 1 upon root of a square minus x square. Integration of 1 upon root of a square minus x square is sine inverse of x by a. So sine inverse of y upon 2 equal to integration of this is x and plus c. We can shift this sine inverse on this side so that y by 2 becomes sine of x plus c. Now y equal to 2 sine of x plus c. Answer. Now we'll integrate this. We'll solve this differential equation. dy by dx equal to, shift this y on this side, 1 minus y. Now shift this term here in the denominator, dy upon 1 minus y and dx on the right hand side. Now the variables are separated. We can integrate it. Log of 1 minus y. Integration of this one is log of 1 minus y. Coefficient of y is minus. So I am writing here equal to x and plus c. This is the answer. Here we try to separate the variable. It is sec square of x tan y dx minus sec square y tan x dy. Sec square x dx. Shift this tan x here minus sec square y dy. Shift this tan y here. Now the variables are separated. We can integrate it. Integration of this. If we take this term as t, it becomes dt. So dt upon t is log t. Integration will be log of tan x minus log of tan y. Since both are in the term of log, so I am writing the constant also in the form of log c. Now shift this term on this side. Log of tan x plus log of tan y equal to log of c. Log a into log b is log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is log of a into b. Tan x tan y equal to log of c. Log to log cancel. Tan x tan y equal to C answer. Here, to solve this differential equation, we'll try to separate the variable e power x plus e power minus x dy will be equal to e power x minus e power minus x and dx. This term is shifted on the right hand side. Now here dy. Here we have e power x minus e power minus x upon e power x plus e power minus x and dx. Now integrate both the sides. Integration of dy is y. Here we will take this denominator as t. If we take this as t, it becomes dt. So dt upon t is log t. So the integration will be log of e power x plus e power minus x and plus c answer. Now here to solve this differential equation, we'll separate the variable dy, shift this bracket here upon 1 plus y square. 1 plus x square, shift this dx here. 1 upon 1 plus y square, we have to integrate both the sides. 1 upon 1 plus y square is tan inverse of y. Here integration of 1 is x and for x square it is x cube upon 3 and plus c answer. Now to solve this differential equation, we'll try to separate the variable y log y dx equal to x dy. Dx, shift this x here in the denominator, dy, shift this y log y here. Now the variables are separated, we can integrate it. Integrating both the sides, integration of this will be log of x. Here we'll take log y equal to t. If we take log y equal to t, 1 upon y dy becomes dt. So dt upon t is log t, log of log y and plus log of c. I am writing this constant on the left side with log x, log of c. Log a, log b is log a into b. So log of cx equal to log of log y. Log to log cancel, cx equal to log of y. So y will be equal to e power cx. This can be written as e power c into e power x. No, e power cx. Separate the variable. It is dy upon y power 5 minus dx upon x power 5. Y power minus 5 dy minus x power minus 5 dx. Now integrating both the sides. Integration of x power n is y power minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 upon minus 4. X power minus 4 upon minus 4 and plus c. This is the answer. Here we separate the variable dy equal to sine inverse of x and dx. Integrating both the sides, y equal to. Here we have to apply the method of integration by parts. This is first function, this is second function. Sine inverse of x. Integration of 1 is x. Minus integration dy by dx of this is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Integration of 1 is x and dx. y equal to x sine inverse of x minus, here it is x upon root of 1 minus x square. We multiply it by minus 2 and divide by minus 2. Here it becomes minus minus plus. Y equal to x sine inverse of x. If we take this term as t, then it becomes dt. So it is dt upon root t. dt upon root t is 2 root t. So the integration will be 2 root of 1 minus x square and plus c. 2 is cancelled with this 2. So the answer is y equal to x sine inverse of x plus root of 1 minus x square and plus c. Here we separate the variable e power x tan y dx equal to minus 1 minus e power x sec square of y dy. E power x dx. Shift this in the denominator, 1 minus e power x minus sec square of y upon tan y and dy. Since the variables are separated, we can integrate both sides. So integrating. Shift this minus on this side. Now if we take this as t, it becomes dt. So dt upon t, this minus I am shifting inside the integration sign, so that when we take this as t, it becomes dt. dt upon t is log of t. So log of 1 minus e power x. Here log of tan y and plus log c. Log of 1 minus e power x equal to log a plus log b is log a into b, c tan y. Log to log cancel, 1 minus e power x equal to c tan y. This is the answer.